Hello, hola, and namaste, and Merry Christmas to all of you. And may this Christmas bring so much of positivity and energy so that you can fulfill all your wishes and dreams come soon and take a step further for yourself. Okay, so moving towards today's video. Before starting today's video, I would first say that I am not okay today, and it's completely fine. It kind won't be relative to what the title you have read, but that's what comes down when you're low on a day. Motivation. When you're low, you kind of get demotivated. And come on, even I'm a human being, and all of us do get demotivated at some or the other point of time, and it's very normal and it is actually okay. And there is something called heartache, not exactly like heartache, not physically but emotionally, and it should be completely fine to tell it out. When we have a stomach ache or a headache, we go tell it out that, oh, I'm feeling a little low, I'm having a stomach ache. Then when you're having a bad day on a heartache, as I like to call it, not exactly a heartache because it's not anything related to love or anything we connect with heart, but I still call it a heartache because it's connected to me and my feelings, which is very important, as love yourself, and that is also connected to heart. So I think it's very relevant to tell yourself that it is okay. I do get demotivated, but the one thing we should not do is stop. Okay, for example, we have seen so many races, whether it's any game or just a running race, for example. If we fall down, do we just stop and stay? No, right? We get up, take up the courage, and resume the race till the end. So it's the same thing even with motivation or feeling low. You do feel low, you do fall down in your feelings, but then we get up with courage, resume our work with full confidence, and take it to the end. And I would like to share what I did today, because when I woke up in the morning, I was so demotivated because of, I was not feeling well also. That, just added up to my feelings. I'm not doing good in my academics as well as my other fields which I'm trying for. I didn't get the result I was expecting, and that kind of demotivated me. But I was like, no, I got to learn so much. Even though I did not win it or I did not get a good result, that does not mean I will stop. I did my best. That is the first thing, that I did my best. And I was really happy with what I got to learn, first of all. And coming back to demotivation, I generally, the time will heal it. Time is the best healer, as we all know. So even when we get demotivated, with time we get better. Maybe a day or two will take. So what I generally do is I enjoy myself. I enjoy pampering myself. I put on all this hair mask and face mask and body mask and just enjoy. And another thing which gives me a lot of joy is doing makeup. So I spend time doing my makeup, looking at myself and giving myself the most positive vibes, great music, and soon I would just think about that what results I want, like success, and that kind of takes me towards getting back to work. For example, I want to be a successful person. I want to be a successful woman for my family. I want to make my mom proud. So I have to work for it. All of us know working hard pays off. Maybe not today, maybe not now, but definitely tomorrow. So sticking to that, I do get demotivated when I don't get good results of anything, whether it's studies or in any work. I don't stop. I just tell myself maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, and I got to learn a lot. Let's start again. Not like, I mean, just resume. And this has helped me a lot. I know speaking from here, from behind a camera, is very easy. But at times, all of us do feel low. All of us feel lonely. Even we have family, there are few things we cannot share with anybody. And it is okay. I feel low, my mother feels low, my sister feels low, my brother, my sister, my family, every person has that one point. Even when you're surrounded with people, you feel lonely. And it is completely fine and normal. The reason I am telling this, so that everyone who is feeling out low can know that all of us are with you. I don't know about anybody else, at least I am with you. I can assure you that anytime anybody contacts me through my Instagram handle n.i.r.n.a.s.h.a. This is my Instagram handle. If you want to come and talk to me about anything that you're going through, I am there to help you. And one more thing I would like to tell everybody, that it's okay to be not okay. Trust me, I was not in a mood of, shooting this video. But I'm like, no, let's do it. This is what I'm here for. I am feeling low. I'm feeling much better after doing my makeup. It has given me the energy to shoot the video. And trust me, even sometimes festivals do not heal it. But the time will, and the work will, and especially the work you enjoy. I mean, if I sit and study, I will feel a little more lonelier. Maybe I can opt for something more good and which will make me better, was my makeup. And I definitely got better with my makeup skills, and I got to enjoy it as well. So as I said, you can contact me through my Instagram handle, and also let me know in the comment section below what are the problems you are dealing with, so that we can solve it together, because we are in it together. Okay guys, the video is over, but I would like to put up a disclaimer that people who do not like makeup or are not into it, please don't hate me. It's just my thing. Maybe you are into dancing or sketching or something else. It's just my thing, my art, my hobby, and I just gave an example, and you can substitute it with things you love doing, like paintings, drawings, and dancing and singing, etc. It just came to me. I just wanted to give it raw as I actually did, and I did not want to make changes in it, and I wanted to give it the real fact which I actually do. And yeah, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.